Welcome back to our channel How to Guide Everybody, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Linktree for your Instagram, so you guys can add multiple links on your bio on Instagram. Alright, and I'll show you guys how you guys can do it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on. First step, close your Instagram and open any browser and go to this website called linktr.ee, official website of Linktree. Now once you're in the official website of Linktree, over here you can add multiple links over here. You can just click on add new link and easily add new links over here. Alright, like this. I click on add new link, and on the title I'm gonna name this website, and I'm gonna enter the URL over here of the website. Alright, so this is the URL of my website. After I enter that, I click on done and a link has been added over here. And just like this, you can add multiple links over here. After you add all the links which you want, what you can do is at the top you can see the button which is right beside upgrade. You want to click on that button and click on copy at the bottom. Once you copy this, you want to go back to your Instagram and click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on edit profile. Once you click on edit profile, it's going to bring you over here on your Instagram. Where it says website, you want to paste the link which you copied from your Linktree. Alright, and remember, your Instagram account needs to be a creator account or a business account in order to have this feature. If you're just using the personal account feature, then you cannot add any website on your Instagram. So change your account into a pro account. After you enter the link, click on done at the top right corner. Once you do that, wait for some time and the link is going to be added over here. So as you guys can see, my link right below break. And once I click on this link, it's going to take me to my Linktree, where I can choose anything from over here, and it's going to take me to that page. So I chose YouTube, so it's going to bring me to my YouTube just like that. So yeah, that's how we guys can use Linktree for Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe button to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.